how to register with OSCC. First, go to oscc.org.in. Then, you'll have to create an account. On the website, click Join Us. Here, you can either create one with Google, or you can directly sign up with your email. We will go with this option. Carefully fill in the on-screen details like your name, email address, and make a username. Click Sign Up with Email. Now, just put in the verification code sent to your email ID. Great! Your account has been created, and now you can begin onboarding. Prerequisite. During onboarding, you will require several various documents and images. We recommend making a folder on your desktop or smartphone and consolidating them in one place. Before each onboarding step, we will show you which documents are required. User details. Required documents. Here, compulsory documents for this step include your most recently updated professional CV or resume, and your vision statement made using this smart technique in a PDF or doc format under the size limit of 5 MB and 20 MB respectively. If you want guidance on how to write a vision statement using the SMART technique, please refer to the provided format link as well as the attached audio in the tutorial document. Additionally, you can submit any of your work related to your expertise like a blog, presentation, research paper, thesis, or video, etc. in a PDF, doc, PPT, Excel, or other similar formats under the size limit of 100 MB. Now you can proceed with the basic profile setup. Fill in the mandatory fields shown. Here, enter your working contact number with the country code as shown for reference. Please provide details about your work and educational background. You can always check the example given below the question for a better understanding of the asked question. Upload your most recently updated resume or CV here, as explained a moment ago. Make an appropriate title for your vision statement and enter it here. You can take help from the tutorial document for this. Upload your vision statement in the appropriate format here as just explained. Specify commitment in weekly hours for your time dedication. For example, 10 hours a week. For the workshop, a minimum commitment of 12 to 18 hours per week is required. For the workspace, a minimum commitment of 16 to 24 hours per week is required. Mention your SKA, select one or more, and highlight your top skills. Areas of knowledge. Or any other unique attribute you will bring to the platforms of Workshop and/or Workspace. Share how much you aim to benefit or contribute to the community through opportunities, social networks, achievements, and resources. Listen to the audio linked in the tutorial document for better understanding. Here, upload all your works, projects, or research related to your expertise with the conditions stated previously. Also, carefully include the related title for each submission. Knowledge. Let's set up your knowledge profile, which includes your current experience level in 4 core subjects. In this onboarding step, first choice of every question is for people with 0 level knowledge. Second choice is beginner level for who has some basic knowledge of the respective subject. Third is intermediate level for who has more clear understanding. And fourth is the expert level who are confident with their abundant knowledge. Now, choose accordingly. First subject, Arabic literature. Second subject, Prophet's biography. Third subject, emotional intelligence. Fourth subject, critical thinking. Role. This onboarding step takes input about your area of interest, background, vision, and subject choices, as well as your most interesting working topic. First question is based on your field of interest. Select one or more from the available options. If your interest is not listed, you can click Other and manually enter it. Select your educational and professional background in this question, else write it manually in the Other option. Think of what your vision statement focuses on and select accordingly, or write it in the Other field. Choose the pillars that align with your background and vision statement. You may select more than one or all. In this question, you can select multiple topics that you are interested in, whether for exploring or have knowledge of in this question. Personality. Required documents. Shortly, you'll attend a test. From that, you'll have to take a screenshot which you must upload in this step. You are hereby informed in advance. This step is for personality assessment. Please carefully listen to this audio file before taking the test below. It'll help you to understand the importance of personality assessment and how it can help you grow. Now, please visit the provided website for personality assessment and complete the test there. It's called the Big 5 Personality Test by Treaty. Kindly complete this simple test by answering all the questions. Once you are done, take a screenshot of your personality trait score, your supposed test result, and upload it here. Rules. This important onboarding step highlights our rules and regulations and must be read and understood very carefully without missing any point. Starting from eligibility criteria, membership tiers, code of conduct, content use, payment and subscription, privacy and data protection, attendance and participation, account termination, changes to membership terms, agreement to terms. Check the I agree to the rules and regulations of OSCC and I commit to follow it box if you agree all. Payment. This is an important step, so please pay more attention here. Choose your role here within OSCC as well as the engagement level of your chosen subject. There are two platforms offered in OSCC. One is the workshop and the other is the workspace. Workshop profile is to establish your OSCC identity based on knowledge levels in 4 core subjects, plus get more features. Workspace profile, on the other hand, is to establish the 4 capital ecosystems and to gain access to real-life opportunities, social networking, achievements, and resources. Workshop membership consists of 3 roles: spectator, concentrator, and performer. Workspace membership is the expert role and is for professionals who are experts in their specific field. Spectator role is for those who are here to observe how the process, workflows, and OSCC structures are. Concentrator role is for those who need foundational knowledge on necessary topics, supervised sessions, and access to resources with a structured approach. Performer role is for those who want to have full access to resources and develop deeper skills with all the full access benefits. Expert role is for those who are advanced learners and would responsibly take mentorship and leadership roles like trainer, researcher, developer, or any field expert mentor. Please note that the workshop's application is mandatory for all members, including experts, and is valid for 3 months. There are 2 separate membership accounts, one for the workshop and the other for the workspace. Each time you log into OSCC, you must select the appropriate membership account to access its features. General OSCC members can apply for the workshop only, Please select an option based on your desired role in the workshop to access the provided features and opportunities. For existing OSCC administrative team or any field expert, you must apply for 2 separate registrations, one for the OSCC workspace and another for the OSCC workshop. Now you can choose your desired platform as well as role and proceed to the payment execution. This is the payment gateway window. You can pay from your preferred option from the available payment methods. Enter your contact number, then select your payment method, like UPI, for which the QR code is shown and is recommended. You can also use other methods like cards, EMI, net banking. You can select your preferred payment bank from this list. You can also use digital wallets for the same, or you can use Pay Later from the listed options. We will use the UPI method for demonstration purposes. Carefully enter your UPI ID or number here. Alternately, you can also scan this QR code from your phone and directly pay from your choice of payment app. Now click Verify and Pay. Confirm the payment request in the app on your device to complete the payment process. Your payment is successfully done at this screen. You will be redirected to the next step shortly. Please save the payment receipt for future reference. Registration. Required documents. Here, you will have to upload any identity proof of yourself. For example, Aadhaar card. You can select any other proof too. A list of accepted proofs is verily listed on the website's question field. Your proof document should be scanned and should be in a PDF format. And your latest professional close-up profile photo with clear and full-face visibility in an image format, both under the size limit of 10 MB. You should also upload your educational qualification documents like your degree or any other certifications related to your expertise in chronological order and in PDF format. At last, please save your signature as an image file here for upload, ensuring it doesn't exceed the 10 MB size limit. Now you can begin with the registration step. Here, provide personal details for the KYC process. Please fill in the details very carefully, ensuring accuracy and completeness. Enter your full name as per the official documents like a government-issued ID. Similarly, enter your father's name as per the official documents, as well as your mother's name as written in official IDs. Select your gender option in this one. Enter your date of birth by selecting your birth year, month, and date. Here, select the country you live in or your nationality. Here, select your religion from the drop-down list or write it down in the other field if your religion isn't listed. Please select your proof of identity document from the list and whose soft copy you'll have to upload in one of the forthcoming fields for your identification. Here, enter the unique identification number of your previously selected document type. For example, an Aadhaar card has an Aadhaar number. This is where you have to upload a clearly scanned copy of the identity document that you have previously selected as your ID proof. Be sure to always check the size limit mentioned below each question before uploading the documents. Here, upload your latest profile photo as previously explained. It should have a clearly visible face and should be under 10 MB. You should adjust your image in this viewfinder and centralize your face using necessary zoom options and/or position adjustments. Then click Apply Changes to proceed with the upload. Here, accurately enter your full home address as per the official documents carefully. Here, you will need to share your residential location details accurately, like your country of residence, state, city, and enter the PIN code of that location. Please upload your certified educational degree, document, or authentic certificates related to your education and expertise here, with appropriate qualification name, your passing institute for the same, and the year of passing or qualifying that education officially. you upload more than one qualification document, they must be listed here in chronological order, beginning with the earliest year of qualification, as shown here. Please note that this is a mandatory upload, so you must provide your degree or an authentic education certificate here. If you do not have one or are yet to obtain one, you may upload any relevant school, college, university, or industry certification instead. Finally, you will need to upload your official signature here, which was previously mentioned to be saved as an image file under the size limit of 10 MB. Adjust to centralize your signature into the highlighted grid of 6:2 ratio, as you did with your profile photo. Then click Apply Changes to proceed with the upload. Code of Conduct. This is the code of conduct for workshop members or students in OSCC. Members of OSCC are expected to uphold behavior reflecting the principles of the Quran and Sunnah, fostering an environment of mutual respect and learning. You must read the code of conduct carefully and fully respect and adhere to its principles, which include core responsibilities, personal morality, conduct in sessions, prohibited actions, and accountability. You should also review the terms and conditions and the privacy policy from these links. Then, click the I agree to the code of conduct for students of OSCC and I commit to obey it box if you agree to all terms. Service agreement. Please pay close attention here. This is the service agreement for workshop members or students. Carefully read it for important information. Now, please review what both parties agreed to, stated as follows, like purpose, membership terms, volunteer work terms, fees and payments, responsibilities, probation period, termination, dispute resolution, governing law and jurisdiction. You acknowledge that you have read, understood, and agreed to abide by the terms of this agreement. Now click the I agree to the above service agreement box if you agree to it all. Orientation. Finally, you have to schedule your orientation session with us, and this is just the step for that. To kickstart your journey, we invite you to book an orientation session with our members. During this session, you will learn more about OSCC structure, resources, and how to make the most of your membership. Kindly book a slot only once and avoid double booking. This allows us to manage our schedule appropriately. You can read this section here for info regarding what the meeting is about. For more details, scroll down to see what's included. The meeting will be about an hour long and will be hosted on Zoom software. This is a comprehensive list of time zones. Please select yours carefully as the page will refresh to sync with your time zone for correctness. Select a date for the meeting that fits your schedule from this calendar view. From this timetable, you can view the time in either 24-hour format or 12-hour format for better clarity on the meridian of the day. Now, select a convenient time for yourself from the listed time slots for the day you previously chose for the orientation meeting with the OSCC team. The meeting will cover the OSCC identity, upcoming details, and procedures related to the workshop and workspace. Finally, you need to enter and confirm some details to complete your orientation meeting booking, starting with your name, then your email address. You will also need to bring one of your family members to the meeting, so here select your relation type with them. Also mention their name here. Now click Confirm. Great, your meeting is now scheduled for the date and time you selected. Please keep an eye on your email inbox for the invitation meeting link. You can verify the details for the meeting here, or if you want, you can reschedule the meeting to a different time or cancel it altogether if you want some time before scheduling it again. You can click on any of these icons to directly add the event to the corresponding calendar service that you use for a reminder. Now click I have booked my orientation session meeting box to complete this step. Alhamdulillah, your onboarding is complete for workshop membership, we wholeheartedly welcome you to OSCC. You will soon receive an official email from the OSCC administrative team regarding your service agreement, which will be sent once your payment and details are confirmed and reviewed as per the orientation meeting. Jazakallah khair. We look forward to your journey with OSCC.